Hello, Southern Tennessee Mom. A big shout out from Tennessee. I hope you're having a great day. You're going to need one of these foam boards from the Dollar Tree. And Dollar Tree recently got these pegboards in. And now this is the larger set. They come in white or black. And I think they're awesome. So we're going to make, this is going to hang on the wall when we're done. I've got two of these adhesive cork sheets from the Crafter Square from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to lift up, hopefully I won't mess it up, because I've got it arranged just how I want it. Move this slightly. And what we're going to do is I'm just going to glue it down. Now they do make like little squares that pop in here. You have to buy separately. There's 4 in the package. I didn't buy those because I'm not going to have to use those. So I'm going to actually glue this down. I'm going to glue the rest of these down, and I'll see you back in a few minutes. One good thing about these, they're plastic, so if you do get a little bit of glue on the top, it just comes right off. Okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'll save those for another project. I might use it for something else. Alright, perfect. Alright, so I'm laying 2 down because I want it a little thicker. That's the only thing with the cork board at Dollar Tree, that it's not really thick, as you can see, but it is self-adhesive. Just pull out the back. I do like it. I think it's really neat, and I'm so glad they have this product. That'll make it thicker. Now I'm going to take these Jenga blocks. I had 3 boxes of Jenga blocks, and it's the one that, you know, sometimes you get a package that has all the blonde ones. This one has the blonde ones and the brown ones. I'm going to glue these Jenga blocks here in the middle around, and then go all around the border of the entire piece. I'll be back in a few minutes. I'm going to take this a Sharpie. I know it seems kind of unusual, but I'm going to use it to color my pieces. I'm going to go ahead and color all the Jenga blocks, and when I finish, I'll be back. Now, I've got these shoestrings that come out of my son's shoes. He doesn't want them, and they're way too long. But I'm going to use this. I'm going to cut off the end guards. You can see it just looks like a ribbon. Okay, as you can see, I've already added ribbon to the sections here. Now I've got to do this side. I'm going to go ahead and add the ribbon to the other side, and then I'm going to add ribbon around the border. I'll be back when I finish. Some of these pillow stick butterflies. They're little mirrors is what they are. They stick to the wall. They're removable, and then you can, but they're pillow stick. They're made by Main Street Wall Creations, and I just think they're really beautiful. Now, I got some of these butterflies. They're silver. They're made by Fashion Accessories, and they're actually barrettes. I got these in the hair section at the Dollar Tree, and but we're going to use them for this because we're going to put this butterfly right here in the corner. Now I'm going to add some glue, hot glue, to the rest of these butterflies just to make sure they're good and stable. I'll be back when I finish. Okay, I decided that this needed a little bit something else added to it, so I had some pink ribbon. So I'm gonna I just freehanded a little bow, and I'm gonna glue it right there in the center. But I'm gonna close it. You know, it's a barrette. So I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna lay it down, and I'll have it a tack, thumbtack, that I'm going to glue right in the center of this. You have a butterfly thumbtack. But I've got black Sharpie on that, so you can just take an alcohol wipe and just wipe it right up. Now you're gonna need two, because the first one is just gonna get all that black up. So we'll get another one and just clean it up. Just like that. And a little tidbit, how I keep my ribbon from unraveling and going everywhere, I take a rubber band and just put it around it. And that keeps it in place. I have some removable hangers here. They'll hold 5 pounds each. Just to make sure I've got them placed where I know that they'll be correct. I'm fitting, the 2 Velcro pieces together. And then place it down on the board. And I'll remove the backs when I get ready to hang it, and I'll show you what it looks like on the wall. Okay, here it is on the wall. And you can see I've already added a few things up there. But I'm going to show you how easy it is to put them on and take them off if you want to change it up. This is the shelf that I have up here. And these are all by Jolt. That is for the pegboards. This is a pegboard shelf. And then I have a pegboard cup. It's just like this one here. And then I've got these peg hooks. There's 6 in a package. And you see some up here now. There's one there. One up here that's holding on my hole puncher. And also I have these rings. These come to a package. I got one my stapler up there. Other one is holding my hole punch. And here's some more more hooks. There's 3 in a package here. And these were all $1.25. Now let me show you how easy it is to put them up there. The hardest part figuring out where you want to put it. Take this off. See how easy it is to remove stuff? I'm going to move these. I'm going to put my hook right here. My shelf right here. If you ever want to take it out, just lift it up and kind of wiggle it out. Comes right out. That is where I'm going to put my shelf there. And on this one, I think I'm going to put a candle. That way, if I want to light a candle, I can. I'll put my stapler and that back up there.